Namaste guys and girls, welcome back to a tutorial where we will be learning to clone Facebook by using Bootstrap, and this is the 8th part of this tutorial series. So here we are going to cover the main part, that is the post part of the main grid, that is a column 6 grid column. In the last tutorial I showed you that how you can fix the problems that are occurring due to the Facebook CDNs, and I showed you how you can use the online services to upload your images there and use that rather than using directly Facebook images. So in this tutorial, let's get started by using the main part, that is the post. So in this tutorial, here you can see we will be getting the post parts from some kind of similar to this stuffs. So first of all, let's get started. We would going to the get bootstrap.com/components, and we're using the first of all let's open our environment, and let's comment it out for easy documentation. Left sidebar, and this is the end of the left sidebar. So and this is gonna be the main posts grid, and over here I'm going to have, let's first of all make a and it's going to be post #1, and inside this we're going to use a media query. So let's use .media, or let's just copy and paste this thing from get media, and just copy this and copy this and go to your Sublime text and paste it in the mist. So after pasting, we need to align, so we're gonna use the media object. So in this src we're going to use our copy image address. We're going to use this, and let's paste. And since we had using imagesave.org, so our address was something like that. And in this alt, let's give it my name, that is and in the content, so let's give the content of we should give a content shared. Oh wait, should we have a name anyways? So first of all, and shared or better this, and icon cliff icon, and we're gonna use cliff icon globe. Let's give 2 hours ago, just a kind of thing. And inside this we need to, let's use media object and go here. Let's distinguish this posts img.media object, and we'll give it, but let's see what happened before giving any styling. So Bootstrap recommend us using 64 site 64 to 64 images for medias. So let's see yeah, you can see that our original image is very much larger, so we need to resize it. And as it is suggested by Bootstrap, let's use 64 width. So 64 width, 64 pixels, and let's see what happens. Things got messed. Okay, so you can see it's working perfectly fine with this, and we need some spacing here. And we need to get some styling to the post. Where's the post? Okay, so this is the post. So let's give some styling to the post. We need a guild. So first of all, let's give it a background of white and border or something. One pix solid RGBA 33 33.33. Nice. And let's give a padding of 1. Okay, so this looks perfect, and we need to give this a little more. So what is it? Dot media. Let's give media name. Okay, so this is media dot name and media dot body. Okay, so name. Okay, so what's wrong here? Media body. Let's give 1.4 em and say sketch works fine. Okay, so we need, let's hear some music. Should we? Oh, okay, wait. We'll do it. Which time? Let's play some music. pointer. Maybe we can give something like padding to be 4 and same on over the opacity.
Hey, new money, suit and tie.
Sorry for that call. This is my telephone is just situated just beside my microphone. So let's get started where we left off. And with over this we had added just a drop down menu, and in this drop down menu we can see this is drop down menu 1 and this is drop down menu 1. And what we are gonna do is this is a drop down, and we'll just going to pull right and give it something drop name drop. Okay, and let's first of all just refresh and see what's happening inside it. So we have it, but it is not appearing above, it's just going behind. So we'll give the position to absolute. So we can rather just do over here, give it a style and give it a position to absolute. Okay, now let's just save and refresh, and let's see what's going to happen with this. Okay, so it's working, but yeah, let's and it would now be situated somewhere here. So let's refresh. Yeah, you can see, and on clicking over this we can see it's working perfectly fine. So since it is done, and now let's check our what we're missing. This is completely dark blue. Okay, and just sad. Okay, and it should be a little down. So we can do this, we can just we can go where, and instead of 64 pixel, where is it? Instead of 64 pixel we can just use 40 pixel, and let's see what happens. Yeah, you see it's it is better, or rather use 48 pixel. Let's increase to 48 pixel, and yeah, this is fine. And we can just hover the way, and we just want a well. So let's get a wells from Bootstrap, and just gotta copy this wells, and we will going to be in a drop down, not in a drop down, button groups rather, and we'll use button group. So first of all, let's go beneath this, where's post content, this is the post content, and just delete it, just paste it, and inside it we will gonna be adding some buttons. So let's use this simple button and paste it down. Rather remove this up, okay, not remove this, as shift and remove all this down. And in this area label we're gonna use Facebook React, and this file sm will also be FC React. And in this area label we just don't need this label right now. It is button toolbar, we just need buttons. Okay, so we done a mistake, we just don't need this, we need button, so we'll need to replace this up. Okay, and we'll just remove couple of buttons, and it would be like i.delete icon dot delete icons icon thumbs dash up. Okay, and this is gonna be button default, button default itself is fine. And here it's gonna be comment, and instead of thumbs up it's gonna be comment, and then it's gonna be share, and here it's also gonna be share. And this is button groups over FC React, so let's give FC React. Why are we messing things up? And let's refresh and see what's going on. You can see, but we need this to have remove this boundary. So what we're gonna do is just FC React. So let's go here, and this FC React will give a background to white, and dot FC React button should have border to none, but padding to 0, comma, or let's give point 2 em and 0.5 em. Let's see what's going on. Okay, border none, and this will be important. FC, okay, it should be dot button or just button, and this is what we were looking for, right? Let's give a padding margin. Yeah, and we'll need to add one more well, so let's go quickly. We need that, and give a dot wells, and inside it we will be adding glyph icon dot glyph icon, and it should be thumbs up. And let's give an extra class like FTU. I will let you know why we're giving it an extra class. And let's give and over here we will be using .fs view and to give a background, not background but background to some black color. No, it should be not black, something blue color. So we'll fetch this color. So this is the color, and we'll be using this. Okay. Here back, so in I use this would be white, and let's this and give a border radius to 50%. I can feel as it's a little cold over here, so I'm just turning on my jacket and padding to be okay. So now let me refresh and show you what had actually done. Okay, so something wrong. Yeah, this thing wrong is this, that it should be closed first of all. So let me refresh and show you. Now you can see it pretty clearly, and this FC React base FC React and this Margin FC React MB to be 1.4. Okay, 0.4 this is and this padding should be a little less, so the size would be a little less. Let's give it to 55 itself, and then move on, and we're gonna be making a comment section. So first of all, here this is the post content, so let's give post content, and this will closing the post content, and after closing the post content we'll move into the comment, and for the comment we'll be again be using the media of the Bootstrap. So let's get the media object, and we're gonna copy this. So let's just type it out. We're gonna use media and name it media as comment, and inside this we are gonna use dot media as left, and inside this we just gonna duplicate this image. Okay, and but we're gonna remove media of the class, and instead you're gonna be using style, because we want it to be little less width than the width of the media name image. So the original width of the media was 48 pixels. Let's make it 32 pixels wide, and after this we just don't need, so let's close this line and go to the end of the line and make media body, and inside this body we're gonna have text area. So we just don't need this all, because rows also we don't need, rows we need rows. This would be one, and let's give text area. So here we're gonna give text area to be width to be 100% always, and let's gonna be using what we call it, overflow. Overflow should be hidden, and since the overflow is hidden, we're gonna use something more. Can use, let's give it padding to be 0.8, and let's refresh and see what we are having with us. Okay, you can see this. Let's give a placeholder. Placeholders to be write a comment, and in this the width is 100%, so let's make it 40 pixel. So this looks perfect, right? But this should be coming in gray colored. Look at this, this will be gray colored. So what I'm going to do right now is we'll be moving it to we'll taking it out of the content, and let me give it some like Facebook engage. Okay, and this would go just above it. Let me clear it out and give C engage. And what I'm going to do with FC engage is first of all, let's give it to the post content key, and it should be empty 1.2, this one. And in this tutorial I'm gonna add this comment to this give color. So this is FC engage. Let's give the background to be okay. But there's something wrong with the, if we notice this, as long as we can do is we can just go inside and let's give it a padding of 0.5 and refresh it. Yeah, and this is more better, right? this looks more perfect, and we have completed this part. So you have basically gained an idea that how we'll be making the post content. So first of all, let's check it's in mobile. So in mobile also you can see this, it's perfectly, but one thing that's going wrong over it is it should have something that's called auto height of this text area. So what I'm going to do is text area auto height, and I'm going to search for a good resource that would help me to get this auto size, and basically you can do it only with the help of a JavaScript. So let me first of all Google it, and yeah, I have found a code pen, very good code pen, which can help you, basically help us to overcome this problem. So first of all, we need even a style.script.js. so let me open script.js, and it is what it's suggesting. So let me just quickly copy it. Save it. And over here, and I had saved. So let's refresh and see if it's working properly or not. Yeah, you can see it is automatically get resizing, but there is one problem with the height. You can see this height. So what we can do is we can have a default height. Let's, why had I closed that? Okay, we can have a default height of, let's give a 1 em default height. But it's still not working. So what we are going to do is, again, height is auto and padding. So what we can do is we can find padding is 10 pixel, width, font size, margin, display, border, radius, overflow is hidden, and it's all same. But what's thing are we missing here? Yeah, height is the auto. Padding should not be 0. So let's remove this padding up, and let's refresh. Yeah, and now it's working perfectly. Yeah, you can see, like let's generate some random text, and let's give a thumbs up to this. Okay, I will share this link in the description, so you would even copy and paste this up. And don't worry, I'm uploading all this repository to GitHub, and we'll be sharing the link to you, so such that you'll be able to get clone the whole repository and work on it yourself. So let's generate some random words, and let's copy it and paste. You can see it's, as soon as I'm copying, it's getting an auto height, and as soon as I'm going to remove, it's removing the width. So that this is what I was looking for. And as long as this is considered, this reactions are considered. So let me get some emojis. Emoji. reaction, what small page, photo, camera. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try and push this to. So what we are going to do now, okay, so first this work is over. Let me remove this up, and here inside the after the comment we'll want to use okay. Let me refresh. You can see this, but what I would do is I would push it inside. So let's try. This is called business. Okay, let me give it class to text area camera, and refresh it. Text area camera, and yeah, this. And now what we're going to do is dot text area camera. So let's just quickly dot text area camera. It would be left. We can do it with 95%, okay, or 98%. Let's see what it happen if it is 98%. So let's try 95%. Okay, 94%. Basically 90%. Yeah, you can see if it is shifting sided. So what we can do is now we can go left minus 4 yeah. Left minus 4m, and now if we see this, left minus 4em. Yeah, it isn't working with left minus 40em even. Let's try left 4. We forgot to give a position absolute, and give position absolute, and let's refresh. Okay, have we lost somewhere? Chat 22. And as you can see, can give it align display in line. Okay. Okay, let's give it a margin left. Okay, margin left -4 and you can see it is pushed in right now. The margin top to 2 am. And let's refresh this even. Let's try comment it out and try list again. We could have done this with them even. So can see this. Let's give 100%. No, 98. So it is better with 98% and 22 4 am -4 am. Margin top important. Let's see what can work for it. Let's go and inspect element it and let's see what's working for it. So if I can this one. I got lost somewhere. If I give so it's of no use, so let's give some computed margin top. Okay, so what we're gonna do for that is we'll just remove this line and also remove this line, and inside this here where we're having the eye, we're gonna give style to this. Okay, style to give it a margin, basically margin top to -1.2 em, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's try and give remove margin and just paste top. Yeah, you can see it is inside it and it's looking perfect right now, but let's can do one more thing is to 2.5 rather. Let's give 3.5, and over here it should be a little 118 or 17. Let's see. Let's give -4.5. Yeah, so this is pretty much it, but we can give a little more, like 1.5. Basically just 1. Yeah, so if I write some text, you can see this is going down along with it, so there's no disturbance. And if I like go, so this is what we had made in this tutorial, and we'll be continuing this in the next part, where we will be making some more contents. We'll be embedding videos, we'll be embedding some more things like from videos, YouTube videos over this, and next video tutorial will be very short tempered and short duration, but this is like, I know it had exceeded more than half an hour, I guess. So but it wasn't important because it has a lot of things hidden in it, and there was basically somewhere it was troubles, and we were trying to fix out the bugs and hoping to fix all this thing, and at the last it had finished. And let's check out the mobile compatibility version very fairly quickly. So you can see it is working fine. This is fine. Like, comment, share for people like this, and this image is also at a good place. So this is how we had completed this part of the tutorial, and I hope you will be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and basically follow this tutorial. And I will be waiting feedbacks from you. I know there's plenty wrong with my video tutorial, like my voice tone maybe, and my quality or the duration. So whatever you felt wrong, you can just comment over there, and I will try to improve it, yeah, from my video tutorials. Until I don't get your response, how could I know that what do you want in my video tutorial? So signing up, this is Unmissing, and hope you build something amazing today.